Forget the stock markets or even property. This investor is putting his money into a mobile form of alternative investment.
If you have big money, you buy property. If you're not plenty of money, you buy taxi.
A jewelry store owner by trade, ALLAN SHEK bought 3 taxis 7 years ago. Now he and his family own about 60 cabs. It's an increasingly popular form of investment, and that in itself is pushing up prices because supply is limited. In Hong Kong, taxis and licenses are sold together. Since 1994, the government has held the number of taxis available at just over 18,000. According to taxiexchange.com, cab prices in Hong Kong have surged 80% since September 2009, hitting a record of 7.6 million Hong Kong dollars in May. That's just under $1 million US. Taxi Exchange and other cab brokerages like Syntat Motors help to buy, sell and rent taxis to generate income for investors.
They can earn money in 2 ways. I think the first way is the capital gain. They can earn the price difference between the purchasing price and the selling price. And the second way is, of course, coming from the rental income, because it's an asset, it's a kind of asset. They can rent out to driver and get a daily rent.
Chung says income from rentals can add up to as much as $3,000 a month. Meanwhile, the Hang Seng Index is down 9% from the year's high, and property prices have been falling since the government imposed extra measures to cool the market. It's also increasingly difficult to get a mortgage in Hong Kong compared with a regular loan, which can be used to buy a cab license. That's got more investors interested in buying taxis.
Their return, I mean the rental return from a shop investment, I mean buying a shop, it's just around 1 to 2% per year. But now taxi still have 3 to 4% annual return per year.
As for Shek, he's always on the lookout for more taxis to buy, and when it comes to alternative investments, he's not limiting himself to cabs. His latest money spinner is renting animals from his farm to schools and shopping malls, something he says not only brings him an income, but a lot of happiness as well. Rosalind Chin, Bloomberg, Hong Kong.